to Hilton. Kami magla-luxury label ni Malcolm. Paul Tomaso.
No phone?
Yeah, my phone. Ang bigat naman anak nung dala ko.
Carlos.
Why Carlos?
Stop thinking Carlos.
Yeah, you're thinking Carlos all the time. That is the Hilton Hotel.
Away.
Away. Yun daw. Sana kami maka-check-in na. Uy, yun anak, casino. I leave you in the room. I will play casino. I will leave you in the room. I will play casino.
Huh?
Me, not him. Who's him? That is casino. Kapitbahay ng Hilton ang casino. Yun ang Hilton. You want to go swimming, Malcolm? You swim ka muna.